These are my brights. And now someone is behind me, so I can kind of see. So that's my regular lights. I can see maybe 2 dashes ahead of me. That's the brights. I can see maybe 4. I thought maybe I just needed to buff the lenses. And then one flew off. And now I can see that there's almost no reflective material in there. So screw it. I'll put new ones on. First, I need to take the running lights off, to take the grill off, to take the headlights off. And they're connected with the world's longest screws. Looks like this headlight might be getting low on headlight fluid. The grill has been vibrating for quite a while. I figured it was broken plastic, but it might just be a loose screw. That'd be nice. Need to disconnect these. You squeeze that tab, rotate it. Now the grill comes off. It does look like that center lower mount is cracked or broken. So mine's a little different than the other videos. I have more screws and less plastic tabs. Seems like this lip down here is connected to the rest of it via screws instead of tabs like on the other videos. With some delicate jiggling, I think I can get this out. Need to disconnect the side lights. Probably could have done it without popping the grill out, but oh well. Okay, these aren't screws. These are just little plastic expansion nuts. That one's popped out there. Let's see if I can realign this one. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if there's going to be much difference between the two. Notice that this one is broken. I could tell it was already used somewhere else. It's got some evidence of being installed. And for no good reason, the left-hand light backing plate doesn't actually align with the holes. So I have to use my old backing plate with the new light. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get rid of that broken part. Assembly is the reverse of disassembly. That's the side with the broken adjuster. I'm just gonna have to like JB weld that in place once I find a sweet spot. Headlights and running lights and brights. Definitely better.